Hello and welcome to a new video. Today we will delve into an advanced use case that demonstrates how AI-based predictive maintenance can be successfully implemented. This example will allow you to see in detail how to design and execute a predictive maintenance strategy using artificial intelligence, the challenges that arise, and the impressive results that can be achieved. If you are ready to discover how to apply this technology in your own company, let's get started. Today we look at how one company optimized its operations and reduced failures thanks to AI. The first step in this case was to understand the context and objectives of the company. In this case, it was a company that managed a large amount of critical machinery. The problem was that they were experiencing frequent unplanned failures, resulting in high operating costs and affecting production efficiency. The company's goal was clear: to reduce unplanned downtime, optimize maintenance to avoid unnecessary interventions, and generally improve operational efficiency by accurately predicting failures before they occur. To address these issues, an AI-based predictive maintenance system was designed. The first step was to install a network of IoT sensors on key equipment, which monitored critical variables such as temperature, vibration, pressure, and energy consumption in real time. This data was sent to a centralized analytics platform, where artificial intelligence algorithms analyze the data in real time to identify patterns and predict failures. The system was trained using machine learning models with historical data from the company, which allowed the algorithms to learn to identify patterns that preceded critical failures. From this analysis, the system could send predictive alerts to maintenance teams, indicating when and where intervention was needed. As with any advanced project, there were several challenges throughout the process. One of the main ones was the integration of data from different systems and machines. Not all equipment was connected in a uniform way, which made it difficult to unify the data for analysis. In addition, some sensors needed adjustments to ensure that the data collected was accurate enough to feed the algorithms. To overcome these challenges, the implementation team worked closely with the suppliers of the sensors and monitoring systems, achieving optimal calibration and seamless data integration into the AI platform. This process was key to ensuring that predictions were accurate and reliable. The results were astonishing. After implementing the predictive maintenance system, the company achieved a 40% reduction in unplanned downtime. In addition, the service life of the equipment was increased by 20%, as maintenance was only carried out when it was actually needed, rather than following a fixed schedule. These results not only had a significant impact on productivity, but also reduced maintenance costs by 25%, allowing the company to reinvest those savings in improving other aspects of its operation. This example provides several important lessons that can serve as a guide for any company that wants to implement AI-based predictive maintenance. Start with a solid foundation of data. Data quality and quantity are crucial to the success of any AI project. Make sure your teams are connected and that the data is accurate and consistent. Train your models well. Spend time training your machine learning models with historical data. The more data you use, the better the predictions. Constantly adjust and calibrate. Calibration of sensors and continuous validation of models is key to maintaining system accuracy. The success of this implementation demonstrates that, with the right adjustments, AI can completely transform industrial maintenance, improving both efficiency and profitability. If you are interested in implementing an AI-based predictive maintenance system in your company, or if you want to know how to overcome challenges that may arise, connect with me on LinkedIn. I'd be happy to help you design a customized AI strategy for your business. Thanks for joining me for this session on the overview of an advanced predictive maintenance use case. In the next video, we'll talk about digital transformation and leadership, where we'll explore how to lead teams and manage change towards a digitized industrial operation. See you in the next video.